Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Stock number one I gave you to buy in today's session was Wipro at 703 rupees. Looking at the daily chart of Wipro, there was no chance of a breakout. Price is still testing the breakout level. So in future sessions, we might see the breakout happening. So result will be did not hit the entry level. Second stock was JK Lakshmi Cement at 556 rupees. It was a buy call. I will see the breakout candle on daily chart, not daily chart, on 5-minute chart. 556. Where is that? 556. Somewhere here. 557 and then yes. So 557 and 565. So 1, 2, 3. 3 target hit. Targets rather. Third stock was Sudarshan Chemicals at 566. Let me see the daily chart of the stock. It seems that there was no bullish momentum. Hence, I'm going to copy the first result for Sudarshan Chemical as well. Let me copy it. Fourth and final stock was Raymond at 619. It was a sell call. Again, we'll see the breakout on daily chart. Yes, there was a breakout. 619 it is. Where is the breakout candle? 619. Somewhere here. No. 619.18.15. So unfortunately our SL was triggered because of price hitting the entry level and then going back and taking out the stop loss. It's time to take a look at stock number one for tomorrow's session. I have India Cement on 4 hours chart. The breakout level above 190 rupees is pretty apparent. This particular level was previously a support level. Now it has become a resistance level. And price action below that is also telling a lot about the buyers. Look at the elevation of low. The previous low was around 170, then it got elevated to 175 and so on and so forth. So this has been the story throughout. Let me go to daily chart. Throughout last 3 to 4 trading sessions, this level of 190 rupees is getting hammered. And how? So buyers, if they come in above 190 rupees, I won't be surprised the level of 195 looking well within their reach. Second stock is Container Corporation of India. I'm going to draw a breakout line above 610 rupees. Just like India Cement, this particular line was acting as a, I should say level, was acting as a support level, and at this juncture it fall prey to sellers. But look at this last 5 candles on hourly chart. They are just below the breakout level. Some of them have tried to go above the breakout level. It shows about the will of the buyers. They are willing to buy, but they need more support. So if they can create or they can buy at a decent quantity, and if you see cluster of bullish candles around the level of 610 rupees, it will going to encourage more and more buyers. And we know the more the buyers buy, the higher the price is going to be, and the levels up to 625 and 630 should not be out of reach. I have drawn a breakout line on the daily chart of UPL. The breakout price action below it is extremely simple to understand. It is in form of a bullish pattern called W pattern. Look at the elevation of low from 680 rupees to right at 690 rupees. That's 10 rupees of jump. And look at the size of bullish candles. Three candles are there in 3 days. The stock price went from 690 rupees to 757 rupees. And since last 3 days, there has been a huge tussle going on between buyers and sellers. They are trying to outdo each other, but the wick at the lower end is going to hurt sellers, and in turn, this wick is going to encourage lot of buyers. The result of it can be seen in today's session. The breakout looks inevitable, and this particular stock should strive to reach and break the round number of 800 rupees. We are going to finish it off with ICICI Bank. The price action pattern is akin to our previous stock UPL. On 4 hours chart, the breakout level is above 740 rupees, and below the breakout level I am going to draw a well-known bullish pattern called W pattern. The same thing or the same conclusion can be made about ICICI Bank as well. The low was elevated from 700 rupees to 715 rupees, and again the current rally towards the breakout level has two bullish candles. The volume activity is pretty good as well, so breakout should happen and buyers should challenge the levels of 770 rupees. These are the levels. I will share a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel. As I always say, please do not put more than 1 or 2% of your total trading capital as a stop loss. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.